Greetings YouTube, Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. Today is indeed Tuesday, February the 18th, 2020. And today we thought we would bring you guys along for a quick update on exactly what's going on with the 6 Moringa seeds that we planted a few weeks back. Before I show you guys what's going on with those seedlings, I just want to say this. I never knew that Moringa grew as fast as it actually grows, or I must have some type of super soil or something here, because these seedlings are growing at a geometric rate. I'm gonna flip this camera around right now and show you guys exactly what's going on with the 6 Moringa seeds that we planted. I'm gonna let you know before I show you guys those seedlings that 5 out of 6 of those seedlings actually germinated, and they're doing quite well right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. This is indeed what our 5 Moringa seedlings currently look like right here, right now at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Yes, indeed. Our Moringa seedlings are growing like crazy. I honestly never knew that Moringa grows as fast as it does. Again, if you guys been following the video series on our greenhouse and what's growing in our greenhouse, you guys know that we don't have any type of heat mats, we don't have any type of grow lamps. We're only using the power of the sun and its heat and light to germinate our seedlings. And again, this is what our 5 Moringa seedlings are looking like today, February the 18th, 2020, right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. I honestly cannot be more impressed, I think, with the growth rate at which these guys are growing. It seems like every single morning when I go out in the greenhouse and check on them, they're an inch taller or something. I mean, they just grow at a tremendously fast rate here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. I'm going to show you guys another thing. Although they've only been in here a week or so, the roots are already poking out of the bottom of these germination trays. So indeed, either I have some type of super soil here, or Moringa just grows at a tremendously fast rate. I think this weekend what we're probably going to end up doing is transferring each one of these individual seedlings to a larger pot. We're going to plant them a little deeper than what they're currently planted here in these seed germination trays, in order to give the stems a little more stability. We'll probably plant them in some of those 2.5 quart containers that we've been trying to give away here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel forever. And if anybody who saw our video about the containers, we still have tons of those containers. Come by the Green Thumbs Gardening channel anytime you get ready and take as many of these 2.5 quart containers as you wish to own. But again, yeah, we probably will be indeed transferring our 5 seedlings to 5 of those 2.5 quart containers we have over there on our front porch, and we'll bring you guys back for that video within the next 2 to 3 days. We're going to actually show you guys how we go about removing our seedlings from these seed germination trays. We're going to show you guys what type of soil we use, and we're going to actually show you guys how we go about making holes in the bottom of the buckets and the size of the buckets for drainage in those 2.5 quart containers that we have over there on our front porch over there. And again, if anybody wishes to own some of those 2.5 quart containers, come by the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, give us a call, email, text, something, and let us know that you're interested in those containers, and we'll find a way to get those containers to you. At any rate, YouTube, if you're currently watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment and press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks. We really would appreciate it. Yeah. Growing Moringa right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.
far. Got me wondering where you been. Said you would always be there. Thought you were my best friend. How could you walk away? Was it something I said? How could you just move on with your life like I'm gone and dead? I thought that it was real, guess it was just a dream. Whatever happened to the love you said you have for me? Situation number 9, and it's got me so confused. I remember my heart stopped when you emailed me with bad news. I had to catch my breath as my whole world came crashing down. I heard my heart break and I swear I hate the way it sounds. All I know is that my life won't ever be the same. Got me stressing, restless, got me wondering if you feel my pain. Where do I go from here? Tell me, girl, who can I trust? Cause it's a thin line between the two words, love and lust.